Good morning students, myself Bharti Karat. I will be taking up your mathematics part 2nd. In the last video we have studied basically 4 points. Let us recall all those points. First point is the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and their corresponding height. Here neither the height of the triangle nor the base of the triangle is the same. Secondly, we have studied the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases when the height of the triangle are same. Thirdly, we have studied the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the corresponding heights when the bases of the triangle are same. And lastly, we have studied when the base and the height of the triangles are same, then the ratio of the areas of such triangle is 1:1. This is in case of congruent triangles. Let us move on towards practice set 1.1. First, base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of two triangles. Okay, here for first triangle, base is 9 and height is 5. For second triangle, base is 10 and height is 6. Okay, therefore area of triangle first upon area of triangle second is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Now you very well know that when the height of a triangle and base of the triangle are not same, that time the ratios of the areas of such triangle is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases and corresponding height. Therefore B1 is 9 multiplied by height, that is 5, and B2 is 10 and height is 6. Therefore 5 ones are 5 twos are 3 twos are 3 threes are. Therefore 3 into 1 upon 2 into 2 is equal to 3 upon 4. Therefore area of triangle first upon area of triangle second is equal to 3:4. Okay. Second question, in figure BC is perpendicular to AB. BC is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to AB, where BC is 4 and AD is 8. Okay, and we have to find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. That means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. Therefore in triangle ABC, BC is equal to 4 and in triangle ADB, AD is equal to 8. And you very well know that triangle ABC and triangle ADB lie on the same base, that is AB. Therefore triangle ABC and triangle ADB have same base, that is AB. Okay, therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to H1 upon H2. As you very well know the statement, you may write it down here. That is, when the triangles have same bases, then the ratio of areas of such triangle is equal to the ratio of their corresponding height. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to BC upon AD. So how much is BC? BC is 4 upon AD. AD is 8. So 4 ones are 4 twos are. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to 1 upon 2. That means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to 1:2. Question number 3. In adjoining figure, sec PS is perpendicular to sec RQ. Sec PS is perpendicular to sec RQ and sec QT is perpendicular to sec PR. If RQ is 6, PS is 6 and PR is 12, then find QT. Okay. Therefore, let us consider in triangle PQR. If RQ is base, then height is PS. Okay. Again, in triangle PQR, if PR is base, then height is QT. Okay. Then area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle PQR. You have heard correctly, that is area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle PQR, as we have considered the same diagram, is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. You can write down the statement over here. That is, the ratios of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and the ratio of their corresponding heights. Therefore, area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, so what is the base? RQ. B1 is RQ and H1 is PS upon base 2 is PR and H2 is QT. Okay. So area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle PQR is cancelled and you have here 1 is equal to RQ into PS upon PR into QT. Okay. Therefore, PR into QT is equal to RQ into PS. Therefore, now what is PR? PR is 12. Okay. And QT we have to find out. RQ is 6 into PS is also 6. Therefore, QT is equal to 6 into 6 upon 12. Okay. Therefore, QT is equal to 6 ones are 6 twos are 12. Okay. 2 ones are 2 threes are. Therefore, QT is 3. Question number 4. Question number 4. In adjoining figure, AP is perpendicular to BC. You can see here AP is perpendicular to BC. Then find area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD. Okay. Now you can see that two parallel lines. That means AD is parallel to BC. Okay. AD is parallel to BC. You have also studied that when two triangles are in between two parallel lines, then their heights are same. Then their heights are same. Okay, that means you can see that triangle ABC and triangle BCD lie in between two parallel lines, that is BC and AD. Okay, therefore their height is same. Okay, in order to show this height, we have constructed here DK. Okay, we have constructed here DK. Okay, therefore triangle ABC and triangle BCD are on the same base, that is BC. You can see ABC and BCD have same base, that is BC. Okay, and as they lie between two parallel lines, therefore their height is same. Okay, as triangle ABC and triangle BCD are in between two parallel lines, therefore heights are same, that is AP is equal to DK. Okay, therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Therefore, you have studied previously that when the base and the height of the triangle is same, then the ratio of the areas of such triangle is 1:1. Therefore, now B1, what is B1? That is BC and height is AP. Okay, then B2 is again BC as the base is same and height is DK, that we have constructed DK. Okay, now BC is cancel. We have AP upon DK, but AP and DK are same. Therefore, we have is equal to AP upon AP. AP will get cancelled and we have here 1. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD is 1:1. Fifth question. In adjoining figure, PQ is perpendicular to BC. PQ is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Then we have to find out first one, area of triangle PQB. PQB upon area of triangle PBC. Secondly, we have to find out area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC. Third one, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC. And fourth one, area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC. So let us start with the first one, that is area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC. Now in triangle PQB and triangle PBC, in triangle PQB and triangle PBC, height is same, that is PQ. Height is same.